Now, this question's obviously about standard deviation. And the way to think about standard deviation on the SAT is way different, by the way, than what you think about in a real statistics class or a science class or a social science class that uses real standard deviation. So here on the SAT and on the ACT, you're going to So here on the SAT or ACT, you're going to get this very sort of simplified version of standard deviation. So let's say we have two data sets, set A and set B. They both have the same average in the middle. They both have the same range. Now I'm going to create 6 more values in each set, but for A, I'm going to focus them outward. And for data set B, I'm going to focus them inward. And this is the idea of deviation. With the values generally focused outward, we're going to have more deviation. And with the values focused inward, we're going to have less deviation. So now coming over to this question, the idea of this question is that although when you go from class A to class B, you're shifting your numbers up by 13, because instead of starting at 1, we're starting at 14, and instead of ending at 7, we're ending at 20. So all the numbers are getting shifted up by 14. But even though that's the case, the shape of the data is identical for both sets. So the exact layout of these points is totally the same both times. So the standard deviation is going to be equal for both of them. And the answer that says that is answer choice B. It says the standard deviation for class A is equal to the standard deviation for class B.